Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will learn how to take a picture of your screen. There are many ways we can do this, and I have picked 3 easiest ways we can take a picture of our screen, which includes this. Let's try the first method using snipping tool. To access the tool, we can go to the start menu and type in snip, and this is how snipping tool will look like. This is a powerful software provided by Windows to take a picture of our screen. Snipping tool provides 4 ways to do this. Let's try the first one, which is freeform. Freeform, basically we circle out the section that we want, and when we're done, this is how it will look like. Now let's move on to the second one, which is a rectangular snip. Similar with the freeform, we select the section. However, it comes in a shape of a box. So everything inside the shape will be included inside your picture, and this is how it will look like. Let's try the next one. Use snip. If we use window snip, you can select the window that you want to use. For example, in this case, we have 2 options, which is the desktop and the notepad. Let's try the desktop. If we select the desktop, everything will be selected. And if we select only the notepad, this is how it will look like. Now let's move on to the last one, which is full screen snip, which basically includes everything inside your screen. And that's how you use snipping tools. Let's try the second method using Windows button. I open the on-screen keyboard to make it easier to see the process. If we press Windows and print screen, we can see just now the screen blip for a second. That's when they take a picture of our screen. After they take a picture, it will automatically save into our hard drive as an image file. To open the image, we have to go to File Explorer, Pictures, and it's placed here. This is how the image will look like. That's how we use Windows button and print screen to take a picture of our screen. Let's move on to the last method using Alt button. In this method, the picture will be copied into the clipboard, and we have to manually save it using a image editor. Let's open the keyboard, and if we select the notepad window and press Alt print screen, it looked like nothing happened. However, the picture already stored in our clipboard, and we just have to save it using an image editor. Let's open our image editor from the start menu, and let's use Paint. If we paste the picture here, this is how it will look like. It will include everything on top of the notepad window, including this small section of the keyboard. Using this same method, we can also take a picture of the whole screen. Let's delete everything here first. Lower it down. Let's open the on-screen keyboard. And to take a picture of the whole screen, you have to make sure that you select the desktop. To do that, we need to click or right click to make sure. And when we're done, let's press Alt and print screen. Now let's open our image editor and paste the picture. And as we can see, we can take a picture of the whole screen using this method. And that is everything about using these tools to take a picture of your screen. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you.